Hello folks, this is Jerry of JerryB.tv. I'm doing unboxing video now for my lens hood for my Panasonic HC-VX870. I bought it without lens hood. That's why I bought separately. I bought it in a Rakuten.fr here in France. So let's unbox it. Like I said, I bought it without the lens hood. It's a second hand. I don't know why they are not included, the lens hood. Okay, let's do it, the unboxing. So here she is. Okay. Actually, it's arrived yesterday evening. I ordered it June 2. And now it's June 26. But anyway, it's arrived. Okay, let's see. It's inside. With some receipt. It's Rakuten. It's comparable to, this is a SYK0602 model lens hood. It's okay for HC-VX870, HC-VX878, WX970M, HC-WX979, and HC-VX980, etc. Okay, so here she is. Voila. It's LEICA Decomar. I think it's an original from Panasonic. Look. It's a hard plastic. It's original with the wheels here to tighten and to loose. So let's put it in my camera. So how this hole is in a up. Let's put like that. And then we turn the wheel. Counterclockwise, yes, clockwise. There's a sign there to lock. Going there, going to left. Is it lock? I think it's working. Look. So it's going to there, it's lock. And then here it's to loose. Voila. Voila. Look at my camera with lens hood now. Wow, look at my camera now. lens hood. Yeah, it's good looking now. Ooh, at last, lens hood. Voila. Even it's a old model. It's nice to. It's very good. The resolution is very good. The 4K and 1080p. It's working fine. No issues. It 2 months since I bought it, and I'm using it almost every day for my blog and my reaction video. Please subscribe. I'm a musician and music lover TV. Voila. This is my lens hood for my camera, Panasonic HC-VX870. Okay, folks, please subscribe to my channel, jerryb.tv. And thank you very much for watching. I love it. Bye-bye.